welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how we can add settings for custom settings for our blog. So for add custom setting, we can use inspect controller for it. Inspect controller basically provide setting option, custom setting option at here. So like just first we add inspect controller in our blog. So for add inspect controller, first we have to put inspect controller at here. And okay, now I think this issue is coming due to it is JSX issue. JSX expression must be one parent element. So for that we have to provide some div element at here. Okay, now it is coming fine. Now we can use block props and put in the div so that it is selectable at all the place. Now we can check with npm start and also put some text at here like setting. Inspect controller is not defined. Okay, inspect controller is not defined. Okay, import expert controller from block editor. Okay, use block editor. Okay, we are already using block editor and pass block editor at inspect controller at here. Now it is coming like settings etc. But as you see setting it is not looking good. So for look good we can use some panel thing. So for it we can use panel at here. Like panel body and etc. Now all text here. Oh, I think okay, panel body is not defined. Go to panel body and from where panel body from where it is coming. It is coming from component. Okay, import from component. Okay, panel body. yes, now it is coming fine. It is showing settings etc at here and text at here. So I think it is working fine. Now we will use text area at here, text controller at here, so that we can use this we can connect setting with our data, like something some change at here, and when we change then it reflect at here also. So for that we use text control. Text control also come from components, so we use component at here. Okay, and we just use this data. A label and value and on change, like I am using value like title, and on change like I am using title, and also at here like I am using like set attribute. Okay, so that it will be good. Set attribute and pass title, and at here I am passing new title, so that it will be like we are using as parameter. Okay, I am setting title at here, and whenever this title, additional title. Okay, additional title at here. Okay, now I am just using title at here, so I have to push like edit. We can also use attribute dot title, but I am using title at. Okay, I am destructuring at here like const, because it is best method. Const title equal to directly pass from attribute at here. Also pass attribute at here also. Title, and at here type like string, and default value like I'm just putting empty. Right, now when let's check. When we click at here, then additional title is coming, and it is coming from string. Okay, from setting. Okay, I think okay, and now like I use hello, and now it is coming. Now additional title hello is coming now, but it is not connecting to our block. Like at here it is not showing, so for it we can pass at everywhere. So for it, just at here, like at here, we can pass like inside S2 and just pass title at here. So at here it is showing whenever we select and we update, it is updating at here also. So in this video we check for inspect controller, we check for text controller, and we check for panel body etc. also. I think you can also add all thing, you can also add all in the please add toggle controller from here, and please put gist file in the comment section so that I can check you implemented this method or not. And if you found this video helpful, then please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.